Today, finally, got the package I've been waiting for. This is called X-Horse Remote Tester. It's radio frequency. It'll do infrared as well, RF and IR. Got this off of Amazon for a cool $29. I was looking at one and ordered one from China. It was not on Amazon, and it's still not here. So I went ahead and ordered a second one from Amazon. I'm not sure exactly what that piece is down here. Oh, it's the quality test checker that nobody reads because it doesn't really mean anything to me. Because of shipping, they could not include the battery. So it takes a 9-volt battery. That's what the back side looks like. That's been laser engraved. That's not an ink blot. No power. No power. This is positive. That's positive. But it shows on this, the smaller one to the left and the bigger one to the right. We're just going to touch it. Okay, so they have their battery terminals screwed up. Morons. There. Now we have power. This says here 300 to 320. This is infrared. This is 868 with the jumper I believe you have to do. And this is 434. This IR might actually get picked up inadvertently either from the phone or a light. Let's try this. You can see that it's you can try different buttons and whatnot, so it shows you the functionality of the buttons. It doesn't like my Dodge. Huh. Interesting. That's weird. It likes the Chevrolet. Oh, it doesn't have power. Oh. Okay, it likes the Dodge now. Why did it lose power just then? Probably sounding off a bunch of alarms outside. Locking and unlocking. But that's what that does. Pretty little nifty device. I must have an auto timer on there so it turns off after 20 seconds or 30 seconds so it doesn't drain the battery or something. That's really, really weird. We're watching to see how... See? There you go. I think that was like 20 seconds. And this is because we are an electronics channel. It would not be fair to not take it apart. I know, I just got it. But I want to see what's underneath the cover. I find this hilarious. There's probably a screw up here, but I'll get to that in a minute. One came out. I don't know if that's plastic or... Doesn't want to come out. But yeah, there's got to be one underneath here. We'll, let's see if we can get underneath it. And a toothpick. I don't know if it's going to be sharp enough. Probably not. I have to get a knife. Just jabbed it with a screwdriver. Yes, there is 2 more screws. And I don't care if that logo is on the back or not. It does no purpose for me. What I'm going to be using it for, I really don't care what it says on the back. I just want to see what's all inside. There you have it. I was expecting a little bit more than this. There's a ribbon cable here, and that is for your on-off button. The coil, there's your audible alarm. And that is the jumper. I'm going to try seeing this. I believe if you jump that'll get your 868 megahertz. Alright, so I'm going to continue to take it apart, because why not? There is 1, 2, 3 screws. Look at the battery terminals here. They're soldered on. They got a screw and a nut. That's about it. And here's the rest of the circuitry. H74HC08. That's the little inverter chip there, the main one. I'm not sure what these things down here are. SCR121. Remote tester version 1.1. HS3 8BD, I think is what the part number says on this. Really cool. So this is the infrared sensor. And I wonder if I would take and swap it out with another one, if it actually would be multifunctional, because I work at the hospital. And this is another one I have here. And it's supposed to pick up the frequencies that we use for a badge that nurses wear. And I'll be kind of interested in to see if I can convert this in the future. I won't do this today, but we'll look into it in the future and see where that lies. But that's what that is. This is a sensor that they use. Very similar. Well, that's cool. I just wanted to see the inside. Now that we have the inside, that's all I need to know. Got a couple LEDs to surface mount. Got the main one for your power Probably a voltage driver. There's a crystal. These are either diodes or transistors in transistor package. Some more tiny LEDs. Yeah. Awesome. So I will be using this tool here in the future. In the very, very soon future, you will be seeing these videos that I do for key fob repairs. And I will be showcasing this device. Just want to get a background behind it. That way you know what it is and what it looks like. Like I said, I got it on for Amazon. It was $29. And I think it's going to be very essential for me to use testing these key fobs. The next key fob I have coming up soon in the video will be one that this woman had put it through the wash. So that'll be kind of fun to try to fix. We'll see what happens. That's pretty awesome. You don't have to go to AutoZone or O'Reilly anymore, or your automotive store, to test it. And what's even neater, and I just realized, it's got a magnet on the back. I didn't realize that until just now. There's the magnet, right there. So you can put this up against your shop wall, or your refrigerator, or anything that's metal, and it'll stick to it. That's cool. Now the only thing that they need to do really to fix this product is putting the polarity right of the battery, because that's obviously not in the right orientation. I don't know if that means that this is a fake or if this is actually legit. I couldn't imagine that it would be a fake, because if this was reversed on accident, then this would have been reversed as well for the image. And I know it's not my battery. So I'll do it one more last time. Which is nice, because you can be able to see if all your buttons are working when you do repairs. That's all I have to talk about with this one. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.